Sairam students, welcome back to our next session. 11th lesson, Inherited Talent. Practice can make most people really good at most things, but talent are required for truly exceptional levels of performance. When the topic of talent comes up, the assumption is that it is inherited from our parents and other ancestors. In this lesson, we will see some examples of it. Let's start. Name the gifted children of these talented parents. On the left hand side, father or mother name is given, and on the right hand side, name of the child has to be written. First, Jatin Das. He is a painter, conferred Padma Bhushan by Government of India in January 2012. His daughter named Nandita Das. She is an actress. She has acted in over 40 feature films in 10 different languages. Second, Kaifi Azmi. He is an Urdu poet. He was presented with the prestigious Millennium Award by the Delhi government and the Urdu Academy of India. His daughter named Shaban Azmi. She is an actress. She has received the National Film Award for Best Actress 5 times and several international honors. In addition, she is a social and women's rights activist. Third, Mallika Sarabhai. Mallika Sarabhai is an activist and Indian classical dancer and actress from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She honored Padma Bhushan. Revant Sarabhai. He is an Indian film and theatre actor, dancer, and choreographer. He is known for being one of the few male Bharatanatyam soloists of his generation. Sunil Gavaskar. He is a cricketer. He was the first person to score centuries in both innings of a test match 3 times. He was the first test batsman to score 10,000 test runs in a career. Rohan Gavaskar. He played in 11 one-day internationals. Fifth, Ustad Allah Rakha. He was a tabla player. Popularly known as Allah Rakha, was an Indian tabla player who specialized in Hindustani classical music. Zakir Hussain. He is also a tabla player. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1988 and the Padma Bhushan in 2002. In 1999, he was awarded the United States National Endowment for the Arts National Heritage Fellowship, the highest award given to traditional artists and musicians. Sixth, Dr. V.C. Pace. He is a hockey player. He is a former Indian hockey midfielder and representing the Indian team in the 1972 Munich Olympics that won the bronze medal. Leander Pace. He is a tennis player. He has won 8 doubles and 10 mixed doubles Grand Slam titles. He holds the record for the most doubles wins in the Davis Cup. 7. Charan Singh. He is a politician. Served as the 5th Prime Minister of India between 28 July 1979 and 14 January 1980. Ajit Singh. He is also a politician. 8. Dhyan Chand, hockey player. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats. He won 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. Ashok Kumar. He is also a hockey player. Kumar was known for his exceptional skills and ball control. He was a member of the Indian team that won the 1975 World Cup. 9. Vijay Manjrekar. He played 55 tests. He was a fine cutter and hooker of the ball. Sanjay Manjrekar. He is also a cricketer. He is an Indian cricket commentator and former cricketer. He played international cricket for India from 1987 until 1996 as a right-handed middle-order batsman. 10th, Pandit Ravi Shankar. He was an Indian musician and a composer of Hindustani classical music. He was awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in 1999. Anushka Shankar, Woman of the Year, awarded on International Women's Day 2003 in India. Do you know, students, Deepa Mehta's film Earth is based on the novel Ice Candy Man. Earth movie was submitted by India as its official entry for the Academic Award for Best Foreign Language Film. Students, we have completed 11th lesson. Now let's start 12th lesson. 12th lesson, Geography quiz. Earth is an amazing planet with vast oceans, high mountains, deep lakes, and dry deserts. Take a spin around the globe and see how many of these geography facts you know. Let's start. Pick the correct answer from the alternatives provided. First, where would you be likely to find the largest number of white tigers in the world? Options: A. At the London Zoo, B. With the ex-Maharaja of Rewa, C. The ex-Maharaja of Jodhpur. Answer: B. With the ex-Maharaja of Rewa. The white tiger or bleached tiger is a pigmentation variant of the Bengal tiger in the Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar and Odisha in the Sundarbans region and especially in the former state of Rewa. Second, name the man who first acquainted the Western world about the bird of paradise. Options: A. Magellan, B. Attenborough, C. Amerigo Vespucci. D option Alfred Russel Wallace. It's not there in the textbook. So write D option Alfred Russel Wallace. Answer D. Alfred Russel Wallace. 19th century explorer Alfred Russel Wallace was among the first to study birds of paradise in the wild. The 39 species are found only in New Guinea and a few nearby areas. Third, which country was the first to adopt the use of alcohol-based fuel to bring down pollution in the air? Options: A. UK, B. Canada, C. Brazil. Answer: Brazil. Brazil was one of the largest countries to implement the biofuel program in the production of ethanol fuel from sugarcane in the world. Fourth, which was the first national park to be started in the world? Options: A. Kanhan National Park, B. Yellowstone National Park, C. Corbett National Park. Answer: Yellowstone National Park. In 1872, Yellowstone National Park was established as the United States' first national park. The park is known for its wildlife and its many geothermal features, especially Old Faithful Geyser, one of its most popular. Fifth, one Indian emperor is credited with having promulgated laws which protected wildlife. Name the emperor. Options: A. Ashoka, B. Harshavardhan, C. Akbar. Answer: A. Ashoka. The edicts issued by him include forests must not be burned and trees shall be planted on both the sides of the roads. India had a culture of protecting and guarding the forest, and it was a social responsibility of the individuals as well as the rulers to maintain and protect them. Sixth, Jawaharlal Nehru Fellowship was awarded to a naturalist to undertake a study of the Indian tiger in 1969. Who was he? Options A. Willie Arjun Singh, B. Kailash Sankhala, C. Valmik Thapar. Answer: Kailash Sankhala. He was an Indian biologist and conservationist. He was the first director of Project Tiger, a conservation program set up in India in 1973. He was well known as the Tiger Man of India. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1992 and Rajasthan Ratan in 2013. Students were completed question answers. Do you know, students, the world's first granite temple is the Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur in Tamil Nadu. It is also called Rajarajeshwaram or Parubhu Devar Kovil. Is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva located in south bank of Kaveri river in Tanjavur. It is one of the largest South Indian temples and an exemplary example of a fully realized Dravidian architecture. We have completed 12th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, three questions will be displayed on the screen. First answer is clue for second and second answer is clue for third. First, the frigid zones of earth do not receive direct sunlight. What's the answer? Pole. Continent at South Pole. Answer: Antarctica. Antarctica has the world's largest desert. Correct. Students, we have completed 11th and 12th lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.